Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Simon. Today I have 3 easy ways to use the beautiful pattern paper included in the February 2022 card kit. Using 3 cards, very easy. We just do some cutting and some die cutting with the included die also included in the kit. And I think you're gonna love how easy these cards come together with very basic supplies. So included in the kit, we have the Happy Heart 6x8 double-sided paper along with the Simon Says stamp Miss You die. It's a gorgeous assortment of papers, and we're only going to use about 3 sheets, so it kind of gives you a ton more cardstock left over for you to make more Valentines, which I'm totally going to do as it's gorgeous. So we're going to begin with our card base. We have a 5.5, 4.25 Neenah 110-pound white cardstock, and then I have trimmed one of the pattern papers to about 3 inches by, I don't know, 4.5, and we're going to add a piece of foam adhesive, and that way it's a long, fully covered foam. And then we're going to add the Miss You die. So the Miss You part is cut out of the included coordinating color glitter cardstock, also included in the kit. And then the back of the Miss You, because it's like you have a shadow die also included with the Miss You, is used out of vellum. And then I have these super cute leftover little crystals from our last, I believe is our last card kit from Simon. And I'm going to add these. These are like super bright pink, and I just thought it made it look super cute, and I'm very happy and pleased on how clean and simple this was to create. We just ended up doing some trimming with the paper and then some die cutting with the Miss You, and the whole thing comes together very nicely with some foam adhesive. So we're going to move on to our next card, which I think you'll like as well. This is using also the pattern paper included in the kit, more of that glitter paper, and we're doing You're So Cool. So this pattern paper has like 2 sheets of this 4x4, excuse me, like 4 images, and one of them is this really cute like Slurpee, I don't know what you call that, milkshake, and I have fussy cut that around. I've added foam adhesive. And in the bottom of the same card, it said You're So Cool, so I also trimmed that up. So we have another piece of Neenah white cardstock, 5.5, 4.25, and then we have 2 pieces of cardstock of this pattern paper that I have trimmed up. So you could see the back of this, it has like those little icons, little clip art thing. So that's what I ended up fussy cutting for this image. So we are doing no stamping, we're simply cutting and pasting. I'm going to bring back that glitter paper that's included in the kit, and I'm going to mat my pattern paper over that. I'm going to bring my paper trimmer and trim the edge of that to create a nice little rectangle. And now we're going to put the card together. I'm going to add some adhesive to the back of this. I considered adding foam to raise it up, but I'm like, you know what, we're going to raise up the smoothie Slurpee thing, so we'll just let this be. So we're going to add 1 layer. We're going to remove the backing. So you could either do either or, add foam backing or not, and this is like one-sided sheet. That's why we here add some glue first and then add the sheet and then remove the backing. And then I'm going to try to center this, and I think I struggled on this one. I had to like move my head over to the side to be sure that I got it all centered, but you know, I try. Next, we're going to remove the foam adhesive from the back of the little milkshake Slurpee thing. I did add a little bit of Nouveau to that little heart. As you can see, it's a little glittery, just to raise that up. And then the You Are So Cool. I really love how glittery and pretty and really quite simple the whole thing coordinates using 1 paper pack that's included in the kit. And like I said, we're only using like 3 sheets, not even using full sheets. So I think that you can make a ton more with all the little icons included in that paper pack. And then last but not least, we're going to keep it clean again. Some more white backgrounds. The Miss You, love die cutting that Miss You out of the glitter paper. So I have my Neenah 110-pound. We have the Happy Heart. We're adding some adhesive to the back of this. We're going to flip that over and place it directly onto our card base, which is 5.5, 4.25, and these are the same sizes of the A2 envelopes included in the card kit. So then I have Miss You. So the Miss You again is cut out of the glitter cardstock. The shadow is cut out of white cardstock, just like my background. And then I have a little leftover piece of vellum. So I'm going to attach this Miss You die to that vellum. I'm going to trim the edges to create more of a rectangle really trying to create like a background so it doesn't get lost. And the vellum just gives it a little more dimension, and it allows me to hide the foam adhesive that I'm going to use in the back to put it all together. So now that I have my nice clean edges, I'm going to add foam adhesive to the back, and then I'm going to place this on the bottom right corner, just slightly overlapping the little roses. And this sheet, the 6x8 rose sheet that I have, I only use the bottom left corner of it. So when you're looking at that paper pack, you'll see what I'm talking about. And then last but not least, I'm going to embellish using some Studio Cadia rose gold sequins. Simon has a ton of different brands and things that you could use, so I'm using these rose gold. I felt that these matched the pink cardstock, glitter cardstock that's included in the kit the best. So adding these using my Tombow mono adhesive, and I have long lost my sequin picker upper tool, so I'm just using the tip of my glue because it has a little bit of glue on it to pick up the sequins. It makes it quite easy to just be able to use one tool to pick up both the sequins and then add glue down to the card. So we're gonna let this dry. It is ready to be mailed. You will have to pay a little bit of extra postage with these because I did use foam adhesive to raise them. But other than that, they were super easy, real-time card making, guys, aside from like the paper trimming and die cutting. But really takes us about 10 minutes to make 3 beautiful cards, and I think that there's a lot of product left over in this card kit to make a ton more. I hope you like the cards. Let me know your thoughts. Are you gonna get this kit? It's available as of January 14, and then it'll ship out on the 17. And then if they run out, which they probably will, you can buy the individual pieces of the card kit. So I'll list everything down below on my video descriptions. And please, please, please don't forget to like the video, give it a nice little comment, and share. And this really supports me create more videos. Thank you so much, guys. Have an amazing day.